smash it. Smash it. Like the monkeys. The monkeys, they open the fruit like this way. So look at this.
Oh, it looks beautiful.
The fruit of the gods. I know. You want to smell it? And you're going to
Little bit lemon.
see. It's good. Good. Delicioso. This reminds me my childhood, you know. I grew up eating this kind of thing at home. You know, I grew up doing this kind of thing at home. So this reminds me of my childhood. So the cacao and all the things, I used to make it with my mama. Now they pay me, so that's good. See? Toucans, agouti. So pretty hand like this. So you can.
Okay, thank you.
And you just
Put in your mouth, sucking it like a candy. Don't chew it. This one is more sour than sweet. Está ácida. What is the fermentation? Fermentation usually is a combination from yeast, air, and temperature. Okay, so all that together make a kind of alcohol. So this alcohol, some people they collect it and they make a kind of wine, and sometimes they sell it actually. Okay, we don't do anything, but you let this dry and that's it. But the first and the second day you need to be careful because you can reach a temperature around from drying process is ready. So now it's time for the roasting process. Okay. So from here to here.
wonach schmeckt das? Das schmeckt noch.
Chocolate, chocolate,
Schokolade.
chocolate, chocolate, chocolate.
Allemann.
This is already roasted, okay? So you can take
That's the
one.
dried one.
Yeah.
That's roasted.
Roasted, exactly.
Roasted.
So take two. You have to press it, twist it, okay? Then you can. Come on, come on.
Just want to.
Just like that.
Hot.
See, that's perfect. It's heavy. That's perfect. So yes. So we used to use it not just for cacao, actually for coffee.
Ganz kurz hinhalten, dass du das Foto nimmst.
The indigenous people they used to use the wind, but right now I don't have a wind, so I'm going to make the wind for you. Okay. So this is one of the technique that they used to use. Okay. So. Oh my gosh. If you pay attention to the floor, you can see that the skin is lighter, right? So you have to do it. Both are made from volcanic rock or lava rock. So we usually took the big rock and we used to put it over the fire. When you hit it in the fire, that's easy to come out the natural cacao butter. So it's easy. For crush with cane. So sugar cane plus cacao. What is that? Chocolate. Chocolate.
Schokolade.
Chocolate. See. So, okay. I'm going to show you, then you need to do it, okay? So, if you don't work today, I won't pay you, okay? So, one foot here. Another one back. One hand like this way. And the other one right here. And then you need to go. Be careful with your arm in this area. Don't do it like this. Do it like this angle. And then, if it's too hard for you, you can use your whole body. Like, push like this and then just pull like this, okay? So, you have to do it. I'm going to make my part because I want to. Better. Wait, quiero que una parte. Fácil. Yo le ayudo. No me preocupes. Ahí está. Ahí está. Ahora sí, ahora sí. To clean this. There we go. Perfecto. Look it. If you wait like a 45 minutes, 1 hour, you can get rocks. You see? Yeah, it's the same. So now this is dried out. So yeah, my friend. So my mom used to add it. Yes. Wait. Good. I guess I have it. So try. Salud. Try without anything. You can take this. One for you. And one for you.
Thank you.
So you have two. Try maybe with your spoon a little sip. Okay. And then we can add the ingredients. Remember the ingredients? So was vanilla, chili picante, and corn. Okay.
Actually, it's not bad.
It's not bad. Yeah. Just have the sugar. Remember, we added a tiny bit. I drop.
Vanilla. Extract vanilla.
Vanilla extract made from made by Gina, my coworker. So I don't know if you want to add this was the other ingredients. This is maíz, fécula de maíz, so cornstarch. This just make white corn because it's more like a representing like in that way. Okay, the indigenous people they used to add chili, corn, vanilla. Their corn make more creamier drink, so that's the thing. But right now we use this because this just make creamier. It doesn't change the flavor, just the texture. So just a tiny bit, not that much. Poquitito. See, so you want a poquitito? A little bit. You have. I can't remember. We have the perfect excuse.
It's lunchtime.
It's to feel the heat, okay?
A little bit just. Thank you.
I try one time.
Pintico sería bonito porque Pintico. Okay, what do you want to try?
Gracias.
Chili también, chili sauce? Or just chili? Venga, mi amor, a comer. Italiano, ¿cómo se dice? Español.